A Penal mother, identified as 24-year-old Simran Rahamut, used her body as a human shield to protect her 1-year-old infant when the family's vehicle collided head-on with a cement truck on Thursday, April 11, 2024. The body of Simran was found beneath a seat in the hatchback car. She was pronounced dead at the scene of the collision. Her father, 50-year-old Afraz Rahamut, who was driving the vehicle, was hospitalized in critical condition in the intensive care unit. Her mother, 46-year-old Amida Rahamut, was a passenger in the front seat, while the baby, Sagid, who was in a car seat on the rear seat of the vehicle. Both suffered minor injuries and are in stable condition at the hospital. Simran's sister, Khadeejah Mohammed, said her sister was a very generous person who spoiled her loved ones with gifts. "My sister was very loving, caring, and considerate of others' feelings," she said. "I heard my sister jump to protect the baby from damage. She tried to shield him. The baby was in the car seat on the rear seat of the left side. She threw her body on him. I heard they found her body under the seat." The collision occurred around 5:30 p.m. along the M2 Ring Road in Debe. Mohammed said that her parents took the infant with them to pick up Simran after work at SM Jalil in South Orapooch. The family was returning to their home in their Honda Airwave hatchback on Lal 2 Trace in Debe when the collision occurred. A police report said that the driver of the Mack cement truck, a 52-year-old man of Chaguanas, was headed east when the hatchback approached from the opposite direction. According to reports, the hatchback overtook a line of vehicles and collided with the cement truck. The hatchback spun out of control and landed in a drain roadside. Responding fire officers used the Jaws of Life hydraulic tool to extract the father from the driver's seat. Mohammed said her mother was inconsolable over the loss of one of her 4 children and worried about her husband. Investigations are continuing. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more.